Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. Here is the wheel editor and a wheel pack, and as we all know that each of these grinding wheels has details of the diameter and the length along with the radius captured in the dimension tab, and in the adjustments tab if you have applied any manual adjustments either applied by the user or adjusted by the laser or the touch probe in the machine. Now the tooltip today is just going through the details on the left hand side here. So we have status, details and the notes tab, and this is for this particular wheel pack along with the arbor, spacers and all the three grinding wheels. Under the status section, the name of the wheel pack and has it been qualified or mounted, those details are available here. But more importantly, we would like to go into the details section. The details section always starts from the left, starts with the arbor, then the spacer, the wheel, the spacer in that order. So you can see on top here, click on the arbor. The arbor details are shown here, which has the T, D and L, which is basically the length of the arbor, the diameter, which is the bore diameter of the grinding wheel, and the length, and also the qualification reference, which is the distance from the spindle face to the face of the arbor. Now as you can see, scroll down here, each of the spacers details also given here: spacer 1, spacer 2 and spacer 3. Now the easiest way is by selecting it. Those spacer details can be easily shown here. But something more in detail is the, for example, let's say I look at the wheel pack, the wheel number 1, I select it, and that is the wheel here. It's a 1v1 wheel. The name and the type is used same here, and all the details of the actual wheel which you see in the page, these details are displayed right here. You don't need to go into the wheel actually. Particularly something which I want to talk about today is the adjustment value. As you can see here, these values are, it looks like they are not manually entered. These are the values applied by the machine. For example, maybe this wheel is used for grinding the OD of a tool, and the laser OD SPC has actually compensated the wheel diameter and the front face based on the compensation values set in the operation. So if it is manually applied, you can see the number of values, the number of digits will be less. This looks like the wheel here looks like it's only applied manually. So without going into the actual wheel, you will be able to see all the details of the wheel right on your front page of your wheel editor under the details section. Now additionally, you can also add some notes in here. It could include the brand name of the grinding wheel, or it could include the specification of the grinding wheel, or any other prefix or suffix of the grinding wheel can be attached here. So here is another tooltip. Thank you once again for watching, and see you next time with another Tooltip Tuesday.